In this video, we'll talk briefly about how to get to the database Academic OneFile and how to use this database to get ideas for research topics. Academic OneFile contains articles from many different subject areas and is a good starting place for your research. To get to Academic OneFile, start from the library homepage at www.stlcc.edu/libraries. On the homepage, there are two links that can take you to our full list of databases. You can click on the link Articles Databases found in the left-hand column, or you can click on the Articles Databases link found above the search box. On the Articles Databases page, we have all of our nearly 200 databases listed alphabetically. Lucky for us, Academic OneFile is located near the top in the A section. Go ahead and click the link for Academic OneFile Gale. Gale, much like EBSCO, is the company that makes Academic OneFile. If you have a topic in mind, you can begin a search by using the search box near the top. However, if you're not sure about a topic, Academic OneFile has some features which can help you explore the broad range of content in the database. The first of these features is Browse by Discipline. If one of these subject areas is of interest to you, click on the corresponding button to get a list of subtopics. To demonstrate, I'll select Political Science. Then I'll click Voting. This will take you to a page that displays different kinds of articles pertaining to the selected topic. You can always see where you are and navigate to other topics by using the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page. If your instructor has asked you to use specific kinds of articles, for example, academic articles, also known as scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, you can narrow down your results by content type. Now let's look at another way of exploring topics in Academic OneFile. I can get back to the main search page by clicking the Home link in the breadcrumb trail. If your general topic area doesn't fall within the Browse by Discipline categories, you can use the Subject Guide search to find a list of topics related to the search terms you use. Click on the Go to Subject Guide search link, then enter your search terms into the search box and click Search. On the Subject Guide search results page, you will see a list of subjects used in Academic OneFile based on the search terms you used. To the right of each subject heading, you will also see how many items are associated with that subject. You can click on the Subdivisions drop-down menu to see more specific aspects of your subject. Or you can explore related subjects. Finally, there is one more way to explore research topics in Academic OneFile, called the Topic Finder. You can click on the Academic OneFile logo to go back to the main search page. Then click on the Go to Topic Finder link under the Search Tools section. Type a topic in the Topic Finder search box and click the search icon. This will generate a visualization of your topic and subtopics, which you can click on and explore. If you need additional help using the features in Academic OneFile, or if you have other research questions, we encourage you to contact a librarian. You can do this by going to the library homepage and click on the Ask a Librarian link beneath the search box to see all the ways you can contact us.